don't see anything else with any hail damage here, except for that one. I am not used to a muddy truck. See, that I just cleaned that with my leg. Less than an hour and I'm already covered in mud. You could stay right on the lake, I have just learned, as there is a giant chalet. What started as a humble chalet is now a luxury hotel.
I don't think a lot of people know of Johnston Canyon
Oh, really?
and the Waterfalls, yeah.
After an amazing 3 weeks, it was finally time to leave Calgary. So, we dropped off our new friend at the Calgary airport, and then it was time to pick up the fifth wheel. Made it to the storage place just 20 minutes away from the airport. While we were in Calgary, we went through a couple little hail spells.
Holy crap!
But that was a bit farther from here, so Brian and I are a bit curious to see how she did, and just to make sure she's all good. But I don't see anything else with any hail damage here, except for that one. It's a good sign. Most of them don't have hail damage, so I think we're fine. We're good. How's it looking, Captain?
It's good. Took a look at the solar panels. They look fine. The balloon works fine.
Oh, awesome. No hail damage. That is really good news. That makes us very happy. So we're not going inside just yet. We're gonna go to Costco first. Still a bit of a cliffhanger. Still waiting to see how everything is. The last time we left our trailer for this long was in Arizona, and it was really hot. In Arizona, it was very dry and hot, so we didn't have to worry about mold and too many other things. Yeah. Lights are all working. That's good. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Now we're all hooked up and we're ready for Costco. How's it feel towing her again?
Easy peasy, just like always. Especially with a little mud slipping us along.
The current time is 8:38 and we pull up to Costco with a suspicious ample parking situation. We fear that Costco is not open yet.
Opens at 9.
Oh, opens at 9? Oh, okay. We're gonna put some stuff inside. I'm gonna go pee, and we're gonna see if there are any raccoons that moved in when we were putting our RV in storage. Ah! I am not used to a muddy truck. See, that I just cleaned that with my leg. I've been in the trailer for less than an hour and I'm already covered in mud.
Spin around.
How's it smell?
Smells good. Any mice friends?
I don't know yet, but that was kind of pushed aside and I'm a little worried about that. Yeah, everything smells normal. I don't smell anything rotting or dead or any excrement from little critters. No mold or muskiness, so I think we're good. On this quest westward, we will be taking the Trans-Canada 1 highway. This highway does go through the Banff National Park. So there is a lane for through traffic where you can purchase tickets if you want to stay. But they conveniently have just a through traffic lane that goes straight that isn't stopped at all. So that was a pleasant surprise to just be able to keep going.
We made it to Lake Louise overflow. We're not really sure where to park, so we need to go look at some signs.
Let's go practice our reading.
Let's go practice our reading. Ooh, it's a whopping $9.
I have $8 in the pocket.
Hey, look at that.
Just need a...
I'm pretty sure we have a loonie in the center console. It's been 3 weeks. Let's see if we remember how to do this.
Yeah, you're good. Let's get the inside livable. It's been a month. Let's see if I remember where everything is and where it goes. Ta-da!
Piece of cake. Now we're just gonna put away our stuff. I'm gonna take a nap. At least till dinner. See you guys tomorrow.
Hello and welcome to another day of What the Hell Are We Up To? We had a nice quiet night in the Lake Louise overflow parking camping spot. We had our coffee. We're now headed just a couple kilometers away to Lake Louise. See what she's up to. But we're also going to go hiking in Johnston Canyon too. We have a fun-filled day today. Let's get started, man. I got a muffin packed. I'm ready to go. There's a traffic sign. One of those light-up traffic signs that says there's no parking in the parking lot for Lake Louise. We're going to give it a go anyway. Brian is confident in the ineptitude of other people. Oh wow, it is right there. Well, luckily we found some parking. There are a couple spots open when we pulled up. And it's, what, a 2-minute walk? And then the lake's right there. I love hiking in Canada. They just put the parking lot where you want to go. Tucked deep in the Canadian Rockies, Lake Louise is the kind of place that makes you stop in your tracks. Its turquoise water, backed by glaciers and towering peaks, is more than just a view. It's an experience. Originally known as Ho-Run Num Me by the Stoney Nakoda people, meaning Lake of the Little Fishes. You could stay right on the lake, I have just learned, because there is a giant chalet right there. The Canadian Pacific Railway helped put this place on the map, building what is now the iconic Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. What started as a humble chalet is now a luxury hotel that sits right on the shoreline, offering guests a front row seat to one of nature's most stunning shows. But Lake Louise isn't just about the view. It's a launching pad for adventure. I said no. I was thinking my hands are already so cold just from the morning chill that, it might not feel that cold. No, it's colder than that. The Lake Agnes Trail is a local favorite. It winds through thick forest to a peaceful alpine lake, where you'll find a cozy tea house serving fresh baked treats and hot drinks. Yes, in the middle of the mountains. The Plain of Six Glaciers Trail takes you deeper into the backcountry, offering breathtaking views and another historic tea house tucked away beneath the icy cliffs. Along the way, you'll pass roaring waterfalls, avalanche chutes, and maybe even spot a mountain goat or two. Prefer a more peaceful paddle? Rent a bright red canoe and glide across the glassy lake, with nothing but mountain reflections and silence to keep you company. Whether you're hiking above or sipping coffee lakeside at the chateau, Lake Louise is more than a destination. It's a feeling. A place where nature humbles you, beauty surrounds you, and memories are made in every direction. There's a trail around the lake that you can walk down. So if when you first enter and there's a ton of people taking selfies, you can just walk for a couple minutes and then you have a little section all to yourself. So yeah, we did a nice little walk, get a couple different angles. And now I want my muffin and my tea, because it should be cool enough now. Costco muffins demolished. Tea, the terrific. Tea is the perfect drinking. Oh my god. My tea is now the perfect temperature to drink. Come on, caffeine. Do your job.
Yeah.
Now we're going straight to Johnston Canyon, where there are waterfalls, you told me?
Yes.
A string of waterfalls, so probably just as cold as everything else is around here. Very excited. I love waterfalls. Who doesn't love a good waterfall? Are there any waterfall haters? I could see like people having a preference over tropical or mountainous and snowy, but everyone loves a good waterfall. Johnston Canyon, here we come. Is that how they recycle in Canada? That we're doing the easy route?
Yeah.
What is the ink pot?
The ink pots are just another fall, but way deeper into the mountains.
Mm-hmm.
So, which is quite the trail.
Oh yeah, and you have all that. All these are elevation,
Yeah.
so you're going up and then down too. So that's a bit more of a hike.
We've come to Canada and it's been pretty rainy. So I wonder if this is going to make it even a little bit more intense coming down from the mountains.
So the waterfalls will be a bit more girthy from all the rain.
Possibly.
Oh, okay. I getcha.
So Johnston Canyon has these cute little cabins you can rent when you come here. The great thing is when you wake up in the morning time and eat your breakfast, you can immediately just hit the trail and hike up the waterfalls. I don't think a lot of people know of Johnston Canyon
Oh,
and
really?
the waterfalls, yeah. Katie's taking pictures of a mushroom and everybody that's walked by, it's just like rubbernecking, trying to see what it is that she's taking a photo of. She's just taking photos of mushrooms, man.
Oh, wow.
So Johnston Hiking Trail, you actually get to walk on the side of the mountain. They've built a path that is rigged into the mountain and it looks like a roller coaster ride. This is one of those hikes where you don't get dirty. Yeah, it's all paved.
Gotcha. I got mushroom paintings in my future. Just got so many good reference photos. I didn't think we'd be this high up when you said we're going to be walking along waterfalls and stuff. I thought we were going to be like down. We're pretty high up here. It's a nice view.
Yeah.
You don't normally get this angle of waterfalls and stuff. It's very nice.
Well, apparently it just got busy. It's because these falls are pretty spectacular. They're definitely worth a photo opportunity, or a moment to check it out. So one of the cool things about these falls is in the winter time, the falls freeze over and they'll have climbers come up here and climb the frozen waterfall.
Oh, that's crazy.
Right? So they do break, so I'm not sure if they're roped in. I would imagine they are because they're not stupid. So there's a reason why there's a line. Once you cross the bridge, you can walk into a cave that has been burrowed out through the rock face, and you get to see a closer view of the actual waterfall. It's almost your time to spelunk.
Spelunk, it's almost time. Less than an hour wait, it was only 40 minutes.
Yeah.
So
It's pretty nice though, because everybody's pretty considerate to let an individual group go into the cave and admire it without everybody trying to jam pack in there and, you know, just get overcrowded and become complex. Everybody's been waiting over there. All right, Brian. Let's watch your head, shall we?
Yeah, please. I'm glad you're wearing a beanie today. Sheesh. Cheese and sheesh.
Hey, let's just make up a few more words in the English language, shall we?
No bears for safe? No bears. Okay. It's definitely worth it. It's so loud.
It's definitely wet here.
Yeah.
We'll clean you guys off in a minute. Yeah, that was pretty cool. That was way worth the wait. It was crazy loud in there. All right, now we're heading up to the upper falls, which I believe is another half-mile hike.
We made our way to the Upper Falls, which was another easy, beautiful hike and not too far away. As we passed by others with big smiles and little squirrels coming to say hello, we have to say, it was worth it. It doesn't matter if you're 8 years old or 70. The trails are easy to hike, the views are simply amazing, and the feel of Johnston Waterfalls is like any other place in Canada so far. Friendly.
That was incredible, though. Really cool. Nice little hike, a little bit of exercise, not too crazy.